Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. I'm thinking if I'm gonna watch a movie for tonight. The ticket's some kind of expensive and I'm asking for a discount if she's gonna give me. But she asked for a senior citizen card. I'm gonna try again. So we still have 10 more minutes guys and girls for me to be able to watch. So ano? Discount naman ako sa pinama. Gawin mo ng paraan. Gawin naman yan. So she can't. Anyway. So I'm gonna try Hello Love again. I saw a little snap of trailer, a little bit of trailer, and some kind of a question mark to me, and a mind blowing in a way because if she asking, okay, sige. If the girl asking, if the boy asking the girl if she still love him or not, and then I want the lower K, the one that I tell you. Yeah. So I'm thinking this is some kind of how do you call that? Predictable, but I will give myself a chance to see if this movie is really worth watching. Okay. So we're gonna go now to Cinema 11. By the way, thank you Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Febordo. Special mention to Munat Pacheco. Hold on. Oh gosh, I don't have any food to bring. I feel like to eat, but time is running and we still have only I think 8 more minutes to go. And to all my silent subscribers out there, to all my first viewers who never get tired on my masterpieces, thank you so much every one of you. And to all my 13 lovely countries, Philippines, United States, United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, Japan, Indonesia, Germany, who else? Oh gosh, I forgot. United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, Thailand. Where is it? 11. There you are. You know what? And to each and every one of you, I'm planning to watch a Moana and the Substance, or if not, I'm gonna watch Venom, The Last Dance, or perhaps what's this one? Smile 2, but it's already started. That's why. So I end up with Hello Love again. Just what I told you guys. I'm just being curious for the sneak peeks, a little bit of sneak peeks for this movie, because Alden Richards asking her, Catherine, if she still really loves him or not, and then she just with her face, no, not anymore. So I know what would be the story will come out for this, but let me see if there are some surprise element for this movie or some exciting part. I know there are some, but we can probably say not until I've watched for this one. Okay, so I'm gonna get inside. And did I forget something to say? Anyway, just in case, I'm gonna tell it once again, maybe tomorrow. Okay, so time to relax, time for unwinding and giving myself a pampering for tonight. And so guys and girls, come over here, join me for my movie night. Okay, bye for now. Thank you so much. Gonna get inside. Hold on. So here I am. Oh, where is it? Oh gosh! Oh, I thought I lost my ticket. Here it is. $400. go. Bye for now.
Now a place for your first win.